Hey, this is Marko. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery cycle count on iPhone 13 or 14. So it's pretty simple. Just go to settings. From settings you want to find battery. It's right over here. If you can't find it, just search it up here. Battery. And if you to go to battery health and charging, you're going to see the maximum capacity. And the next thing what you want to do is go back. You want to go to privacy and security. From there you want to scroll down until you see analytics and improvements, so you want to tap on that. Then you want to click on analytics data and just find any analytics export. If you don't see it, you have to click on the share iPhone and watch analytics, so that has to be turned on. And once you have that, you're going to get a bunch of text. Then at the top right, click the share option, and then you will see battery stats. And from there, it's going to give you your maximum capacity, nominal change capacity, like relative when it was new, etc, etc. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.